Hey yo, this is Dash. Get ready. All right, so long awaited. This is my brand new Sony DSC HX99, and it is a Sony 4K point and shoot camera. So I'm just gonna do a quick unboxing here. We're just gonna open it up, and I will be getting to filming sooner than later. So we have our instructions, directions, and things like that. Get that out of the way. We have a charging. Let's see, what is this thing charging at? 1.5 amps. Get that out of here. We have a USB charging cable. So this is USB micro. My favorite. We have, you know, one of the wrist string. If you aren't using that, what are you doing with your life? All right. So we have the actual camera itself. We're gonna hold off on that, and I wanted to pull out the battery. So this battery form factor is the it uses the NP-BX1, so it's the X type batteries, and these batteries are actually really nice. They for what this camera is and it does work rather well. I will caution you though, when or if you buy replacement or extra batteries, do go ahead and spend the extra $20, I know, and get the Sony battery. They are so much sturdier than the cheap knockoff batteries you're going to get off of Amazon. Ask me how I know. All right, so we're looking at the camera itself, and I mean, it feels no different than the camera I replaced with this, or am replacing with this camera, which is dope, because it'll fit right in my this camera pouch hasn't been used in a month, but it'll fit right into my camera pouch with no problem. But this camera pouch lives on my waist, so I'm excited for that. But let's go ahead, and so nice that this is brand new. Get this in here, and is it dead? No, it is not dead. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this thing set up, but I really just wanted to introduce you guys to my new camera. Again, it is a Sony CyberShot DSC HX99. I picked this up off of Amazon. If you guys want, there will be a link down in the description if you want to check it out yourself. This camera set me back $448, not including tax, not including the warranty. And I'll probably use the first video on this camera to talk about my experience with Square Trade. So yeah, all right. So thank you. Just want to take a moment and say thank you as always for watching. If you haven't already, please do subscribe. Obviously, you guys see I have a brand new camera. I will be getting after it with the footage for this or from this. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this set up, and we're gonna start filming. So thank you again. I'll see you guys next time.